Is it even on? And we're back. It's been a minute, and today of all day my hair is not behaving, so ignore that. Today I decided to upload a miniature video because I really enjoyed that content, so maybe you enjoy that content as well. The miniature in question is this one. It's by Rolife, called Honey Desert Top. Maybe I shouldn't. So, starting off with my favorite part, slicing open the the plastic, aggressively. So this is the unboxing part of the video. It comes with everything, including instructions. Obviously, otherwise everyone would be very lost. All the things that you need. I think the only thing which is not included in the box is glue and scissors. I think because of travel restrictions or something of that sort. So we start with frame 1. It's the exterior and the main body of it. All the pieces are mostly wooden and they snap out really easily. Rolife is one of my favorite brands that I like to work with. They also provided double-sided tape, so you don't really need glue after all. Well, every miniature DIY kit is different, including Rolife. So in this case, I did not need glue, but I did decide to use glue a bit for my own sanity, I would say. So yeah, the main frame is pretty much done. Everything snapped into place. Now I'm doing the wiring, which is also very easy. All the instructions are very clear, and it's one of my second favorite parts of not exactly the assembly, but more so about turning the light on. It's like, oh yes. Next we moved on to the big giant cabinet, one of the main showpieces of this miniature, and you can just hear the satisfaction. I'll be quiet for a second so you can enjoy. Okay, satisfying. Moving on to frame D, which I believe is the exterior. I had to break out my handy dandy tweezers to put all these cute little stickers on. The billboard is also ready and the patisserie is open for business. Just kidding, we need some desserts which are not ready yet, so hold your horses. The top is covered so no rain is getting into the patisserie. Next we're moving on to the cabinet. And what I can say for now is that this miniature DIY kit is definitely beginner friendly. So if you want to start a new hobby, maybe this one be like a good start. Next we're going to move on to the showcase, and boy, it is the showstopper. It is one of my favorite pieces once it's completely finished and all the desserts are in display. So right now it looks boring, but you get the hint. Now we're moving on to a surprise, another cabinet, but don't be fooled, it's a low cabinet. Also with very fancy glass doors, which aren't really glass, they're plastic because safety first, and like, come on. Now we're getting to the fun tiny stuff, and first we're going to make some packaging boxes. And what's cool about them is that they're already pre-folded, so the creases are there, you just have to fold them right up, and they're super adorable. And now it's time to make some chocolate for the display racks. We have some display chocolate, and I think we had to make 12 chocolate bars, which were super easy. As you can see, I'm done in seconds. For the display box, please enjoy this adorable donut and one blue macaron. The donut box was printed front and back, which meant that you got a nice little print on the inside and outside, and cute adorable little text. So this was very cute, and the way you display the donuts in the box was also genius. Just put the paper in and squish, it felt like I was making actual donuts. Sad that I could not eat them, sucks. Skipped ahead a bit, all the packaging for the desserts were also handmade from the paper that you got. You just have to fold them up. So I'm gonna shut up for a while so you can enjoy the visuals in peace. Yeah.
So if you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, show some love, and hit the subscribe button. I love you, beautiful humans, and bye. Until next time, maybe in like 2 years, I don't know, we'll see.